What if a meme coin came with real tools? Wall Street Shiba pairs an AI exchange, a launch lab, and learn to earn with a single token. The pre-sale is live and the window is short. Stay with me and I will show what matters. Let's start with first impressions. Wall Street Shiba is not pitching a simple meme token. The site frames it as a movement that blends internet culture with market tools and machine intelligence. The mascot and branding are playful, but the message is clear. The token sits at the center of its own ecosystem, and the call to action is to join early while the project builds out utility. If you are new to the page, take a breath and look past the cartoon. The promise is a community-driven token with products around it, rather than a logo that hopes for a pump. We will walk through what that ecosystem includes, how the token is designed to work, and where you can verify all of it in a few minutes. Here's the big idea in plain English. Wall Street Shiba wants to turn meme energy into a toolkit you can actually use. The white paper describes 3 pillars. An AI-enhanced exchange layer that helps you route swaps smarter and surface trending opportunities. An innovation lab that lets creators tokenize ideas, launch quickly, and even earn a slice of fees the moment their token goes live. And an education hub called Bark Street 101 that gamifies learning with journals, badges, and community leaderboards. In short, it takes the entertainment value of memes and pairs it with products that try to make trading and building less chaotic and more intentional for regular users. Tokenomics always tell you how serious a project is. The white paper shows a total supply of 10 billion STIBA with a clear split across core needs. A quarter is reserved for the pre-sale, 1/5 for project development, 15% for marketing, 15% for liquidity, 15% for staking rewards, 10% for airdrops. The utility list is simple to understand. Access to the labs and premium tools, staking rewards that scale with time locked, governance on features and listings, plus discounts and perks across the exchange and education products. None of that guarantees price action. It does at least explain why the token exists beyond speculation. If you are wondering how to join, the flow is spelled out. Create or connect a Web3 wallet, choose your network, pick an amount, and confirm. The presale is structured in stages that rise gradually in price. The document notes support for Ethereum, Arbitrum, and BNB for participation. It also states tokens are visible on the site after purchase, and distribution happens when the presale ends. The listing plan is staged as well. First on decentralized exchanges, then on centralized exchanges once agreements are finalized. The paper even includes an initial listing price target and a timeline window, so expectations are set before the switch flips from raising to trading. Staking is where the page gets spicy, and the white paper leans into that. Early emissions and AI-driven strategies are used to advertise very high headline yields with a clear condition. There is a minimum lock of 10 days, and the longer you stake, the higher the tier you can reach. It also carries a caution that unstaking before the minimum can forfeit rewards or worse. The logic is to reward early conviction while discouraging quick in and out behavior that hurts stability. If you are going to present this on video, emphasize both sides. Yes, the upside numbers are eye-catching. Also, yes, there are rules and risks you need to read before you click confirm. Roadmap and product vision give you the bigger picture. Phase 1 covers branding, community building, pre-sale, and what the team calls audited tokenomics. Phase 2 moves to utility with an AI exchange alpha and trading terminal, while the lab builds out tools that merge AI with DEFI. Phase 3 adds learn and earn through Bark Street 101, so the community can grow skills while collecting on-chain rewards. Later phases expand across chains, introduce staking pools and sentiment bots, and aim for broader exchange coverage and partnerships. The press material references World Liberty Financial as a backer of the initiative, which is worth watching as things progress. Here's the bottom line. Wall Street Shiba is trying to be a meme with muscle. It packages culture with an AI-assisted exchange, a launch lab, and a learn and earn platform, then connects those pieces with a token that has defined roles, staking, and a staged go-to-market plan. None of this replaces your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. Always read the white paper, understand the lock rules, and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. If this walkthrough helped, like the video, share your questions in the comments, and subscribe so you do not miss the next update as the roadmap moves forward.